My dad bought me a new Thumpster motorbike. Thumpster 125. I'm going to see if it starts first kick. No, it won't. Yes, it will. No, alright. It won't start first kick, hopefully second. Let's see if it'll start. Alright. Move. Tell my dog to move. Okay. Hopefully second. Kidding? See how many times. Making a YouTube video, okay? Oh, that was so close. That was very, very close. Come on. You're kidding. That's why. Oh, you're kidding. Come on. I'll get it started.